Howdy math fans, it's test 3 lesson 5. Grab your swords and let's go. Today we're going to work on identifying reflections and using the order of operations. And we will start by identifying reflections. So reflections. Reflections are everywhere in mirrors, glass, and here in a lake. So if you look here, you're going to notice that every point is the same distance from the central line, and that the reflection has the same size as the original image. So this center line is called a mirror line, okay? Everything that you see reflected is going to be the same distance from the mirror line, and it's going to have the same shape, it's just going to be flipped over. So you're not going to have a reflection where the mountain is way smaller than the original. That doesn't happen. Useful information to have in art as well. So can a mirror line be vertical? Yes. Here's a dog, Flame. He's got a vertical mirror line, and you can see he's reflected as well. So mirror lines can actually go in any direction. You can turn it sideways, you can do whatever you want. The important thing to remember is that the reflected image is always going to be the same size as the original image, just facing the other way. So a reflection is a flip over a line. There's an activity that I can't do here, but if you would like to try it, you can go to mathisfun.com/geometry/reflection, which you can see that website listed at the top of this page actually. And you can try making some reflections for yourself. You don't have to if you don't want to, but here's just some more examples. You can see that when you've got a reflection, it's always going to be the same distance from your center line. We also often use little dashes to label things. So this is ABC here, and the reflection is labeled B prime, A prime, C prime, just to show you that this is A and it's been reflected over here. This is B, it's been reflected here, and this is C, it's been reflected here. But the important thing to realize is that you're always going to have, when you have a reflection, however far A is from the center line, that's how far A prime will be. It'll be the exact same shape, exact same size, it's just flipped around. Not too hard. And we're at the review. Your lesson today is really short, but there is a study jam you need to do, and it's a very important one. So first of all, I just like you to draw the shape that is a reflection of the top shape, so just draw a reflection in your notebook. And then you need to use the order of operations to solve these equations, which means you need to do the study jam first. So what I would do if I were you is write down exactly what you see for A and B, then go do the study jam, and then you can do those afterwards. Alright, and here is your study jam. It is tinyurl.com/studyjamops. You can also Google study jam order of operations. You're going to see in this something called PEDMAS. PEDMAS stands for parentheses, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. In Canada, we usually say BEDMAS, where we change the P into a B, and the B stands for brackets. Brackets and parentheses are the exact same thing, okay? So it doesn't really matter what order you memorize it in. Make sure you do the karaoke too, because it's fun. And I'll see you tomorrow.